So students, in class 11th chemistry, unit 1st, under the topic laws of chemical combination, today we will study about the gases, Gay-Lussac's law of gases volume and Avogadro's law. So first of all, Gay-Lussac's law of gases volume. This law was given in 1808 by Gay-Lussac. According to this, when gases combine with each other, they do so in fixed proportion by volume. And if the product obtained is also a gas, its volume also is found in simple ratio to that of reactants. For example, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Here H2 is gas, O2 is also gas, but H2O is liquid. So its volume is not concerned with the Gay-Lussac's law, as it is clear from the equation that two volumes of hydrogen combines with one volume of oxygen. It means if you take 100 cc of both H2 and O2, 100 cc of both hydrogen and oxygen. So according to Gay-Lussac's law, its 100 cc will combine with its 50 cc because it is in ratio of 2:1. So its 100 cc will combine with its 50 cc. Its rest 50 cc will be left unreacted. So according to Gay-Lussac's law, its 100 cc combines with its 50 cc to form water. The second example is hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Here all these reactants and products are gas. So it is clear from the equation that one volume combined with its one volume to form its two volume. It means its 1 liter combines with its 1 liter to produce its 2 liter. If you take 100 cc of hydrogen and 50 cc of chlorine, then according to Gay-Lussac's law, its only 50 cc will combine with its 50 to produce its 100 cc, because according to this equation and according to Gay-Lussac's law, they will combine in equal quantity to produce double of this, as it is clear from the equation. Fifth is Avogadro's law. This law was given in 1811 by Avogadro. According to this law, under the similar condition of temperature and pressure, equal volume of different gases contains equal number of particles. It means if you take 2 or 3 containers, if you take 2 or 3 or many containers, the temperature and pressure are equal in all containers and volume is also equal of all the containers. And if you fill here hydrogen, here nitrogen, here ammonia, so you will observe, you will see that in each container
number of particles is found to be the same. Here, the number of hydrogen will be equal to the number of nitrogen, and this will also be equal to the number of ammonia. So if the temperature and pressure is same, volume is also same, and gases are different, then their number of particles will be equal. This is Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law also states that at NTP, normal temperature and pressure, the volume of any gas, volume of 1 mole of any gas equal to 22.4 liter. So this is all about the Avogadro's law.